Today, in this video, we're getting hands-on. Our goal? Setting up your environment. We're going to download and install Python, and then I'll show you how to write and run simple code without needing any special editor at all. Don't worry if you've never done this before. No prior tech skills are needed. I'm going to guide you step by step. So, let's dive in.
First, we need Python itself. Head to the official website, python.org. Click on Downloads at the top. The latest stable available version is Python 3.14.0. Always go for the newest Python release. The python.org website will automatically detect your operating system and highlight the recommended download for it. And for other systems, like Linux, you'll find links to source code or instructions further down the page. Click the large Download Python Installer Manager button to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, double-click to run it. This will open Install Python Manager, and then click on Install Python button.
Wait for this Getting the System Ready for Install to finish.
When this Install Python Manager finish, it will open the command line. Here, the prompt will ask you if you want to install CPython. Type Y to accept, and then press Enter. CPython is official implementation of the Python programming language and written in C programming language, which gives it its name. The installation will proceed automatically. Wait for it to complete, which might take a few minutes.
Now the installation is finished, and the prompt asks you if you want to get additional information. Type Y to get additional information, and N to exit the command line. After installation, we have to verify it. Open your command prompt or terminal, type python-version, and hit Enter. You should see Python and its version. In our case, it's Python 3.14.0. Now you have installed successfully Python in your computer, and we are ready to write our first code.